So today I thought we'd talk about the Evolis Zenius plastic card printer. It will do the standard CR80 size plastic card. It will also print on the CR80 magnetic stripe. You can get a encoder that goes inside the machine, and it's from memory it's a couple of $100. Or you can go onto eBay and buy one of these plastic card magnetic stripe reader, writer and eraser for around about, I think it was about $40 odd, $30 or $40, I can't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, that way these cards have got up to 3 lines of data you can put on them. I think there's 1 line of text and 2 lines numerical. I'll have to double check that though, but you get the rough idea. And what you do is you go into the software, you do your card layout and design, and then it prints out in full gloss, multicolour, pretty much whatever you can put on the screen is what it will print out. Don't know if you can get a good shot of these, a bit hard to see through the viewfinder, but you get the general idea. You can make gimmicky cards, you can make ID cards, and just about anything you want to put on a card. The printing is all done in here. That's your print head, that bit there, and in here you have your ribbon that's got all your different colours on it. That just slits in there. I think you get about, from memory, I think it's 100 prints per roll of thermal transfer. And that's basically all it is thermal transfer. So yeah, you just design what you want on your software, which we'll have a look at now, and send it to the printer and away you go. So let's have a look at the software. So this is the card presso software that comes with it. There is a dongle that you need to use each time you open this software, otherwise it just doesn't work. Dongle comes with the machine. Pretty much anything you put in this area here will print out on the card. You can put your own pictures in, import your own pictures. You've got plenty of sample pictures over this side. Over here you can control borders, shapes, text. You can do recurring numbers. If you've got to do serial numbers, it'll do barcodes, the whole kit and caboodle. I won't go into great detail in here of what it can and can't do, and I'll save that for a different video for those that want it. If anyone wants it, let me know. I just basically want to touch on what you can do in here with it and show you how easy it is. You can handle databases if you really want to. You can create your own databases, and then it'll print consecutive cards with consecutive barcodes or names or membership numbers, anything like that that you want to do. Again, it'll do text, it does rectangles, circles, shapes, lines, blah 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 blah. Put in your own images, import a picture for doing things like identity cards, membership cards, anything basically, or even just a background picture. It also comes with a big heap of templates that you can use. Let's use, I don't know, pick one. Let's just use something with a bit of colour in it. Let's try that one. And you can put your logo up there, you can put whatever you want there, you can put the staff member's name there, or whatever you want. You can change this all around just by clicking on it. You can change the names, whatever you want to do. It's a very, very flexible piece of software. And then basically, once you've got it all set up the way you want it, you just click on print. Make sure you got the Evolis Zenius selected and click OK. And it goes over to the machine and starts printing. Okay, so let's watch this in real time. We'll start it printing now. There she goes. And that's it, done and dusted. Pull your card out. As you can see, it's in full colour gloss. It does actually put a clear gloss laminate over the top as the last process. And there's your card. Now if you want to do the other side, if you want to put something, you know, more details on the other side, simply just put it back in and it's done. You can also do a single card at a time by using that slot there. And that's basically it. If you've got any further questions, or you want to know anything about it, or if you would like to see a video detailing the software more, just let me know. These are a good little printer. They're pretty expensive, but for what you get and for the quality of the card that comes out of it, you can't go wrong. So yeah, bye bye.